A very good morning, dear students, and welcome to your English video explanation class. And today we are going to study our two chapters in the same video because they are very interdeep connected and also they are very short. So that is why we are covering our two scenes because they are deeply connected to each other. We are covering scene number 3 and scene number 4 in this video explanation. So let's start understanding scene number 3. In scene number 3, there is Jessica, who is Shylock's daughter. So Jessica is introduced in scene number 3, who is Shylock's daughter, and she is bidding goodbye to Lancelot. Lancelot was the servant of Shylock who wanted to leave him just because he was Jewish. So now he wanted Bassanio to accept him, and Bassanio accepted him as his servant, and now he was leaving. So here Jessica tells him that his presence made her life in her father's house more bearable. That means she was not happy in her father's house. She did not like her father very much, and she wanted to get out of there. So she gives a letter to Lancelot and wanted this letter to be given to Lorenzo, who was Bassanio's friend, whom we were introduced in the first scene and the first part of our novel. Now here Lorenzo was the person whom Jessica used to like or love this person. So now Lancelot leaves the house of Shylock carrying that letter for Lorenzo, and he goes to Bassanio's place and gives the letter to Lorenzo. In this letter there was written that Jessica was requesting to Lorenzo, where she wanted him to come and take her away from her father's house. So after Lancelot leaves, Lancelot the servant, when he leaves, Jessica admits that she is only Shylock's daughter by blood and not by actions, and she wants to escape his house by marrying Lorenzo and want to become a Christian then, and want to put end to this agony that she has been facing in her father's house. So now what happens in the scene number 4? Here on one street of Venice, Grattanio, Lorenzo, Salarino and Salenio are discussing the plan to unite Lorenzo and Jessica. Grattanio frets, that means Grattanio is worried that they were not well planned. Now Lorenzo suggests that they would slip away during the dinner time and disguise themselves, but Salarino points out that they don't have a torch bearer. So then Lorenzo decides, then they were having a discussion about this time, that how they want to disguise themselves and how they want to get out of Shylock's house without him knowing. At this point of time Lancelot enters, and he was bearing Jessica's letter. So he gives that letter to Lorenzo, and Lorenzo recognizes the writing of her loved one. Then in that letter there was written that please take me away from my father's house. I have gold and I have few things that I have stored to have a nice life with you. So please take me away from here. So now Lorenzo reads this letter and says that I have to go there to assure Jessica that I will be there to take her away. Then they decide that Jessica will disguise herself as Lorenzo's torch bearer for Bassanio's dinner party. So Lorenzo feels very sure that this plan would be successful, and he tells his friends to go to meet at Grattanio's house to plan for the evening festivities, because he was saying that after I bring Jessica there will be a party. Okay, and now he was very happy and he gives this letter to his friend Grattanio to read it and then he announces that Jessica will be his torchbearer, and this is their plan and they will be successful in it. So this is the complete explanation of scene number 3 and 4. I hope students that you have understood that in the first part we have got ourselves introduced to Jessica, who was Shylock's daughter and who was rebellious. She wanted to leave her father's house and she was in love with Bassanio's friend called Lorenzo, and she gives a letter to Launcelot, the servant who was leaving Shylock's service. Then Launcelot takes this letter to Lorenzo, and then before this also Gratanio, Lorenzo and Salarino and Salenio were planning to unite Lorenzo and Jessica, but they were not able to have a foolproof plan. But after the letter of Jessica, Lorenzo was even more pumped with energy and he got an idea that he will tell Jessica to disguise herself as Lorenzo's torchbearer, and she also had some outfit and jewelry to disguise herself, and she had also collected some gold and some manservants packed with herself ready to go, and she was ready to go and was waiting for Lorenzo to come. So now they decide that they will meet in the evening for the festivities once Lorenzo brings Jessica. So these are the two chapters or the two